Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. All right, so daily chart consolidating here. Kind of riding that upper band. This is much tighter on the hourly than it really looks on a daily chart. The bulls won this longer range. They've taken it up into here. We've got PPI and retail sales at 8:30 in just a couple of minutes. I probably won't be done yapping by then, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what the reaction is to that. If it's a positive reaction, it's probably enough to get you up to touch that upper band and keep the band ride going. But you can see here on the hourly chart, you've got this big, long consolidation. And that's probably about to get resolved. You had a false breakout yesterday. Kind of a head fake up, but they didn't really follow up, and take it down. They tried to ride the band down a little bit into the opening of today's Globex, but it's been pretty tight. It's a 33 handle range. I mean, it's nothing to get super excited about. A downside break is going to seek weekly pivot, and upside break is going to seek 40.35 and then 40.50. You've got hourly mid-band and VWAP sitting around 14.13, 14.14. Proprietary moving average is up at 16. So it's really, the coin's in the air, and we'll see how this consolidation plays out. I would not try to anticipate anything with regard to how the consolidation plays out. The bands are tight enough on an hourly basis, and they've been tight enough for long enough where you don't have to guess. There'll be plenty of handles and plenty of time to catch the next short-term move in the market. So fairly short video today. We just have to see how this all is getting ready to play out. So everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I will talk to you tomorrow.